100 daily use questions and answers. Is he at home? Yes, he is at home. Is she married? Yes, she is married. Where is Paris? Paris is in France. How is your dad? He is fine. What time is it? It is 7 o'clock. Who is that man? He is my friend. Is he still here? No, he left yesterday. Who built it? My mother made it. Can you find it? No, I'm busy now. Can you handle it? I'll try to handle it. May I put it here? No, you put it there. What does it mean? I don't know. When does it begin? It starts in the evening. Will it rain today? Yes, it may rain today. How did you make it? I know how to do it. Can I turn on the TV? No, it's time to read.